Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the essential skill of writing detailed prompts to get the best results from artificial intelligence. Whether you're using AI for content creation, coding, or problem solving, a great prompt is the key to unlocking AI's full potential. A prompt is your instruction to the AI. Detail matters because the AI can only work with the information you provide, guiding it toward the specific output you need. Always start by providing necessary context. Why are you asking? What background information is relevant? This helps the AI understand the premise of your request. Tell the AI who it should act as. For example, act as a senior marketing analyst or assume the role of a professional travel guide. This sets the tone and knowledge base. Clearly state the desired outcome. Is the goal to brainstorm ideas, summarize a topic, or generate code? Be explicit about the objective. Next, detail the structure and requirements of the output. This is crucial for usable content. Specify the exact format you expect. Should the answer be a numbered list, a paragraph, or a Python code block? Formatting makes the output instantly useful. Include constraints on length, like 3 bullet points or 200 words, and the desired tone, such as professional, humorous, or academic. To steer the AI correctly, you must also provide constraints and limitations on what it should or shouldn't do. Ensure the AI includes specific keywords, themes, or data points by explicitly listing them in your prompt. Equally important is instructing the AI on what to avoid. Specify any topics, phrases, or levels of detail that are not relevant to your goal. Prompt writing is rarely a one-shot process. Be prepared to refine and iterate for optimal results. If the initial output isn't quite right, don't discard it. Analyze the output, adjust your prompt with more specific details or constraints, and try again. Each iteration brings you closer to the perfect result. Mastering detailed AI prompting transforms the AI from a general tool into a specialized assistant tailored to your exact needs. Remember to always provide context, define the AI's role, clearly state the goal, and meticulously specify your output format, length, tone, inclusions, and exclusions. This process ensures high-quality, relevant outputs every time.